Ooh, I see my car. Oh, there she is. All right, first start. So as you can tell by the title of this video that I finally picked up my new car, and if you guys been watching, it's been 2 years since I've been looking for this car, and finally, you know, I've been able to snatch it up. So I saw this listing right away. I put in an offer. I called the dealer, put in an offer, you know, went back and forth with some numbers, and finally we came up with a number that we're both happy with. And so yeah, the next day I actually flew down to Georgia and drove 12 hours back home. As you guys know, like I had a Evo 9 MR before that I also had to fly down to Georgia, and also drove back 12 hours. It was a lot more painful with that car, only being that it didn't have cruise control. But with this car, it has cruise control, so driving was a little bit more comfortable, to say at least. But yeah, without further ado, here's my new car. Here's a few clips of me going to pick up the car yesterday. Alright, so I'm finally driving the car back home now, and it's gonna take roughly 11 hours all the way from Georgia back to Philadelphia. Again, this is gonna be my second time flying down here, picking up a car and driving 12 hours straight. But yeah, I am so excited. This car, I can't believe this car is mine. So yeah, it's fully loaded, got full leather package, executive package, pretty much all the works. And this is the car that I've been looking for quite a while now. So it's, I don't know, I'm just kind of speechless because I've been looking for this car for 2 years, and you know how car prices are in during the pandemic. It's pretty tough. So yeah, this car, it wasn't like the greatest deal. If you guys want to know how much I paid this car for, I'll probably make another video for that. But pretty much like this car, I wouldn't say like I got it for a steal, but I wouldn't say I got ripped off either. But I think overall it was like a pretty fair deal. So we'll talk more later once we get to like a service stop or something. We're 6 hours into the drive, and so there's another 6 hours left. Here's how she's looking. There's a few bug splatters here and there, but nothing too crazy. Definitely gonna give it a good wash tomorrow, but overall, this car's been great. It handled pretty well on the highway, really smooth. Yeah, I'm loving this car. I don't know if this is OEM or not, but I think it's OEM. OEM's carbon fiber deck lid, spoiler, OEM carbon fiber mirror caps, and another OEM, I don't even know what you call this, inserts, I guess. But yeah, overall this car is clean. I really like this LCI2 icon headlights, which is the reason why I wanted the 2018s. It's the last year model, so the value of this will probably maintain itself. And competition rims, red seats, full leather. Yeah, don't mind the mess. I had to bring some snack with me while I drive. It's a long drive, so but yeah, this is how she's looking. I'm gonna give it a good wash tomorrow, but overall this is how she sits, and I'm very happy with this purchase. It's a dream car of mine, one of my dream cars, so for me to like achieve this, it's very rewarding. So yeah, so I do have another 6 hours drive back, and to be honest, I haven't slept at all yesterday because I was just constantly thinking about the car and way too excited to get this today. And yeah, so I'm driving with no sleep 12 hours straight. So I'm really tired right now. I'm just trying to get home safe. I bought like a bunch of Red Bulls here. Yeah, so right now I've driven about 350 miles so far. It's got 49,000 miles now, but yeah, she's looking really good. I'm gonna do some carbon fiber stuff in here to make it look even more sportier, I guess. But yeah, this is it. Probably show you guys more once I get home, just to see the condition of it, and by that time it'll be like 3 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna get out now, just try to get home, you know, early. Not early, but just trying to get home fast. It's 2:12 in the morning right now, and we still got 45 minutes left to go, and it says that we'll be home at 2:56. I am so tired, guys. Been driving for almost 12 hours, 13 hours, and yeah, I think once I get home, I'm gonna put this baby in the garage, and then next day we'll just come back and take a look at the car when it's daylight. Alright guys, finally back home. It's getting late, so next day I'll show you more details of the car and speak a little bit more about it. But until then, I'm gonna have a good night's sleep. And for you guys, it would just be the next second that it'll be morning. So it's a 2018 BMW F80 M3, and it is in a Alpine white with secure orange interior. And it's a competition package. So with the competition, it comes with these 666 wheels, these black trim pieces, comes out with black grille. Competition has these seats where it has like little 2 holes, so you have people behind can then stick their hands and give you like a massage as you're driving. Competition also add these little nice touches, so you got the BMW stitch colors. Also comes with blacked out emblems. So like I said, it is fully loaded, so it comes with the executive package and a driver assistant package. So this car is also optioned out with a full leather package, meaning the dash panels are here. These are all leather stitched. So as you can see, it just gives it the interior a lot more of a premium feel to it. Apparently, this car was previously owned by the VP of Johnson & Johnson. So it's a one-owner car. And let me show you some things that came with the car that I was like very surprised. So So the previous owner, which is the VP of Johnson & Johnson, bought these OEM carbon fiber inserts. These are OEM carbon fiber side mirrors, OEM spoiler. He also got the exhaust tips from M. These are all original OEM part, as well as the carbon fiber diffuser. So all these things that he put on, like I was originally going to do them anyways, maybe even like an aftermarket one, but I know aftermarket ones, the fitment aren't always that great. So I'm just very happy that these all came with the cars. So that itself already saved me a lot of money, and you can't go wrong with OEM parts. So I'm just very happy with this purchase. I can't wait to drive it more and just kind of like show you guys everything about this car. Anyways guys, so if you guys are interested and want to see more about this content of the F80 M3, make sure to stick around, stay tuned. If you guys are also wondering how much I pay for this car, that'll be another video that I'll be posting soon. So there's going to be a lot of new contents with this car, and I'm just like very excited to kind of like work with this car and kind of start driving it. It's such a beauty, and I'm still trying to learn the car, see what kind of features it has, going through all the settings, and so far it's great. I love this car so much, and very happy with the purchase. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Peace out.